Hello folks, Camilo here, Golden State Upholstery. I mainly do fitness equipment pads, and this video is for a beginner, how to get familiar with sewing machine, how the speed go, the technique, and how to hold the material. Okay, so I have a scrap here. So like what I said, if you have a sewing machine and try to get familiar with it or try to get good at it, then this is a video for you. Okay, so just kind of practice doing this until you get comfortable with that. Okay, wait. Every time you stop, you have to make sure, if you would like to make a turn, make sure your needle is down. Okay? Otherwise, if it's not down, when you make a turn, it's gonna move. Okay? So it's gonna move. Okay? And you don't like that. Okay? So, again, well, if you're expert, then you can just do it with your feet. Like that, with your, like that. Okay, but other than that, you can use the ply wheel over here to control it. Okay, so just like that. So once you get the feel of it, just cut some material, strip of material, scrap, and then learn how to put two pieces of material together. Okay, I'm gonna start teaching you the proper way of holding materials. Like if you have two materials, don't put them like this. It's gonna slow you down. You have to hold it like this separately. Yes, like that. Okay, you know what, let's put a tape on that one. It rattles a little bit, so let's go need to, okay, then, okay, again, get another piece. So you have to do this over and over until you get familiarized with it. Okay, if you have to use your back tag like that, then you have to do so, and then again hold separately like that. Okay, so keep doing that over and over. You can even add another one on top of it. That. Okay, now say you're in the point where you are already comfortable, then you have to start with doing actual sewing. Okay, so this one is for UC Davis. I'm going to service their gym in a couple of days, so I'm going to get ahead and start sewing, so that when I get there, all I need to do is install. Okay, so already pre-cut this one. I have a pattern on this one. This is for the adjustable bench for the weight machines, for the benches. Okay, so this one already have it cut to say this is exactly end right where you want it. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, the advantage of having you hold like this is, imagine if you put them together, this shape is not going to align with the bottom one. That's why it's very important to hold it the way the way I demonstrated earlier, which is you have to hold it separately. Okay, see, like that, and then you can turn this so it's like kind of go like that. Okay, so slowly. When you go to the turn, you gotta do slowly, like that. See how I bring the top material this way? Okay. See, you can, don't put your hand too close to the needle. You gotta do at least, I would say, about 6 inches away. If you have a long run like this, see, like that. Okay, just do it slowly. I mean, I can do fast, but obviously I've been doing this for a long time. Just like that. Okay, so let's do another one. These are all the same. Like that. Okay, so get that one. Put that on the side. See, again, I'm holding it like this. Okay, for the sake of the demonstration, I'm gonna show you how other people hold. Okay, so they would hold, they put them together like this, they put them together like that, they do slowly like that because they want to put them all together. They want to put this together like this, and then again they put it together like that, put together that. Okay, that's how. Put together. Okay, let's do it. Put together. Okay. See how I didn't mean to slow down, but it's very slow because you gotta put them together. Okay. Unlike the way I'm doing it. Okay, it's the way you hold it. Okay, that's the point. Okay, so again, I hold it separately, that, and then I bring them when I go to the turn. I bring them together like that. Okay, look, watch this. Okay, and then just like that. Oh, by the way, I have a guide. If you can see that, I made this one. I don't know if you can see it from here. See, I just attached a piece of metal, so that I'm going to. This is how when I'm sewing, I'm just gonna guide it. I'm just gonna write it like that. Okay, it's just about 1/8 inch. Okay, but that's the way I do it. And then so keep doing it, keep practicing the way I told you how to hold it, and then you'll be more efficient, faster, and of course the more you make, the more money you can make. Okay, so that's the bottom line. Okay. Okay, this one I have to put a top stitch over here, which is, I'll do it later, but for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm just gonna do the way I would like you to learn how to hold your material. Okay, just like that. Okay, I guess that's about it, folks. I hope that this video help you to improve your sewing techniques, and you can do more. Okay, so I will be having more sewing tips. How did I put this together? You know, this is actually a Sprinter van, and this is my shop. You know, I'm on the road constantly serving fitness centers. So if this is something that you guys want to do, then I have a lot of materials, a lot of techniques and things that I learned along the way that I would like to pass it along to people that has the same interest. Okay, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I plan to upload more videos as I can. All right, thank you very much.